Hi guys! Welcome to another day of vlog. And for today's
light balloons.
And for today's video, dadalhin namin kayo sa isa sa mga attractions ng Washington DC. Yay! Sabi nga ni Z, may mga balloons daw and lights. So join us for another fun activity sa Washington DC.
Yay!
See you there!
Bye-bye!
See you there! Tongit. Grabe naman talaga ang traffic dito sa Washington. Oo. Next time magme-metro na lang kami. Ang hirap. Yung booking pala namin is scheduled for 1 o'clock. Right now, it's 12:38. So, kaya naman. 12:56 ando na kami. Tapos mukhang may parking naman sa harap ng building. So, hindi na. Doon na lang kami babayad ng parking fee. Pero may app naman na parking spot na pwede kayong maghanap ng parking nearby. Pwedeng across the street. Pwede rin naman na covered sa garage ng mga building. But we opted for yung malapit kasi yung pinakamalapit na covered parking, 3 minutes walk. And 12 gipit na kami sa oras. So anyway, hindi naman kami magtatagal doon. So see you guys! Here is a video of Washington DC. Ganda ng mga puno guys. Oh, talaga namang winter na, kalbo na silang lahat. US Capitol. Wow! May tunnel din naman siya. So tingnan natin guys kung saan pa tayo pwede pumunta later. Kung nasa mood si sir. Pero guys, maganda talaga dito sa Washington DC.
Gumagabay yan. Ipapasok sa ano.
Medyo traffic nga lang puntahan pero ang ganda dito guys. Para siyang ano din. Parang may ganito rin na view sa Chicago. Wow. Para tayong nasa ano nasa game ng PSP. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-drive ako dito sa Amerika. Nakakatakot guys. Oh. Tapos kung wala kang GPS, di mo alam kung saan ka susugot. Buti na nga lang yung mga GPS ngayon. Madali nang gamitin. Tapos nagsasabi din siya kung may police or kung may camera ahead. Kung kakanang ka na ba. Okay din naman. Kaso kung hindi ka talaga born na driver, tapos magmumultitask ka, driving plus looking at the GPS plus yung surroundings mo pa. Parang ang hirap pag sabay-sabayin.
No.
Pero nag-drive naman ako ng bump car before. Parang carry naman. Ayun. Okay lang yun. Nagkamali daw kami. Pero okay lang yun guys. Medyo traffic nga lang dito sa loob ng tunnel din pala. Tapos kung medyo claustrophobic ka, ayan, tumigil pa dito sa loob ng tunnel. Medyo nakakalurk. Parang nakakatakot. Balikan ko kayo guys. Ayan na guys, mukhang makakalabas din tayo ng tunnel. Grabe yung traffic. Oh, hanggang doon sa unahan pa. By the way guys, today is Wednesday and it's traffic. Kumusta naman dito kung weekend, di ba? Parang feeling ko pag weekend dito talagang wag ka magda-drive ng car. Mag-metro ka na lang. But look at that view. Ang ganda. Tapos balita ko sa Fargo, North Dakota daw ngayon is blizzard and makapal na yung snow. So I just feel blessed and thankful na this year kakaibang winter experience naman. Yung hindi naman puro snow. Like today, ang get up namin, kita nyo naman, pang malamig. Tapos naiinitan kaming, nung sumakay na kami ng car, ang init. Parang nag-on na ng AC si sir. So, ayun. Tingnan nyo yung view. Nice. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Iba talaga yung feels. Oh, mukha siyang lumang bago. Grabe, no? Ganyan sila, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo yung mga puno. OMG. Ayan na, malapit na tayo, guys. In 6 minutes, ando na tayo sa Bubble Planet. Parang kamukha to nung daan na pinag-trick or treatan namin ni Zion dati. Pero mas maliit yung daan. Ay, bakit may balloons doon? Oh, ang ganda, guys. Sa tanyo, ang tinutumbok nito ay Basilica. Ganda. Guys, it's 1:01 at late na kami ng 1 minute. Excited na ang bata. Oh. And there's the Bubble Planet. So, yeah. Excited! Pasok! It's a sphere.
Can you sit?
Yeah, go for it. Go to the duckies. Daddy being the supportive father. Is it fun? You're inside the bubble. Swim! Swim! Video. Hi guys! Are you enjoying?
Yeah. Whoa.
Ganyan lang, head lang. Oh, wait lang.
So, yeah. It's another attraction.
Okay, one more. Ang galing naman ng baby. Ano ba? Ayun, go. Pasok doon. Go. Go, dahan-dahan. Go. Wow.
Finally.
Oo, unti nga.
Painumin na nila. mga tingin sa kanan natin kanina.
Ay, suot yan, baby. Hindi pwedeng ubadin yan. Wow! What is that? Wow!
There's a disco ball. Oh, there's a light.
All right, before we begin, does anybody have vertigo or epilepsy? This be an issue. Awesome. Everybody else, this is how it works.
Shucks.
So
Mukhang
we
nakakatakot
pass
ko na.
through here, you're gonna see it, and it's winding. Don't walk straight. Can't touch the lights. You go in between.
Mag-shades ako.
Keeps you on the path. Get to the other side under a minute. It is that quick. But all, follow the ground.
Follow the ground.
Please take your time. There's a lot of y'all
So,
here.
tingnan ng shades natin para hindi tayo magkaroon ng migraine. Glasses. I'm gonna wear my glasses here. Oh my goodness. I'm getting... What do you think?
Yeah!
Oh, sorry. Mahal. Zion, smile at mommy. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. We're done? Picture muna tayo.
Yeah, you still got your mask upside down, but you could come right here. You can come right here.
Oh, dyan ka na lang. Okay. Ka dito.
Me! Give it mine!
Yan ang asawa ko, oh. Chill-chill lang. Enjoy man siya. Ano ba yung nakikita mo dyan sa VR?
Yung ano, yung mga bubbles na naglulutangan, para ka din nakangat.
Bubbles. Okay. Happy? Wow!
Let's go to the next
Ay, yung pana ko, yung pana. It's fun! Wait for it, wait for it. Z, come on! Mahal, video mo kami ni Z.
Tira mo daddy ah.
Go, go, Z!
Tira mo daddy ah. Ikaw, bilis mo, bilis. Ito lang gamitin mo, baby. Tara, bilis, ayun na. Wait lang.
I think I like your phone.
Oh! Ay, tutulungan ka ni daddy. I love you. Oh no, it's not working.
I found another. Oh,
So ganyan, di siya natatakot. Bitaw na muna yung balon mo.
Ano muna yung balloons? Para makapag-play ka.
yeah, you're legit.
fairness, may toilet naman. Tingnan natin kung malinis yung toilet. Kung ano maayos yung toilet, guys. Zion!
Gotcha.
So we got these posters as a free. Show it, Tana.
Not going in there.
And we're done!
Me.
Oh, so bright! Let's go back.
Aya!
Oh yeah, yeah.
Aya!
So may freebies nga kami. Ito yung kinuha namin na design.
Picture muna natin to bago tayo bago kunin sa atin to.
So nakuha namin because we have VIP. Come on!
We're done, guys! We're going
Teka na.
home!
Ito.
We're done, guys!
Guys.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I'm
Yay!
tired.
So we'll see you on our next trip.
see you on next trip.
Bye! We enjoyed. And we got our photo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung picture namin. Tada!
Wait, let me something.
Worth it naman, guys. So, masasabi ko lang na 10 out of 10. Although, medyo... yung swimming pool na may mga balls, medyo amoy siya, amoy wiwi ng bata. Pero naman, masaya siya, masaya si Zion. At saka, masasabi ko na, maganda siyang activity for kids. Nag-enjoy yung bata, mura lang din naman. And I suggest na you get the VIP ticket kasi worth it naman kasi may mga libreng poster. Tsaka parang feeling ko syempre kapag VIP yung ticket mo, mas may privilege ka. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe sa Bantugan Productions and we will take you to a lot of places na hindi nyo pa napupuntahan. Bye! Babain, alam mo yun, yung daanan lang ng car, yung The Monument, Capitol Building, makita nyo man lang, kasi nakita ko na yan eh. So guys, pauwi na kami. Happy kid naman si Z. Kasi nakapag-uwi siya ng balloons. Tapos, binigyan siya ng bubbles. Tapos, yung nakuha naming freebies na 3 poster. Tapos may picture pa kami. So, yun, collecting memories. Yun lang naman, guys.
Ipasok.